Hey guys, I'm going to share a meal that I'm making for myself for my lunch today. All it is a bag of shrimp, some mushrooms, some shredded carrot. My spices are onion powder, Goya adobo, the magic maker. I use this on a lot of my dishes. Black pepper, garlic powder, plenty of it. I just love this stuff. Some turmeric to your liking. It's a very healthy ingredient to use, so I would suggest you use it. Awesome. And I love the color it gives to the food too. And for my salt, I use a little bit only of this Hugo by Maggie or Magi or whatever that is. This is good stuff, guys. It adds even more flavor to your food. So I skip the salt and I use this. It's just much better for you. And you get this delicious, nutritious. Oh, and I cooked it all in just olive oil. And I just use the H-E-B brand, extra virgin olive oil. Good stuff. Very healthy for you. Any kind of oil will do, but that one in particular is very delicious because it doesn't really have that much flavor to it, but it's very good. I like it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little short video. Brey's Ways. Bye-bye.